Okay, welcome back. So now in this lesson, I'll just share with you two main challenges why most people find it not easy to use WordPress. Okay, so number one is that WordPress has a lot of templates for you to choose from. And besides template, each template also use a different page builder. So it is not easy for a beginner to know which theme or which page builder is suitable for them. And if you choose the wrong theme, meaning that the theme is very basic and it has hardly any layout, it's very difficult for you to design from zero. For example, themes such as Hello Elementor is very basic unless you add on or you import other theme design. So things like that, the templates is already a challenge to find out of so many choices. And similarly applies to the plugins as well. There are so many plugins that the beginner can easily overwhelm and they can't choose or know which one is suitable for their website. And it doesn't mean that the more plugin you install on your website, the more powerful is your website. In fact, if you have a lot of plugins in your website, the very high chance is that your website will malfunction or just crash whenever you do any plugin updates. So make sure that the number of plugins is minimum. So all these criteria, when they come into consideration, it takes experience to work out to really design a professional and a nice WordPress website. But if not, then you will really need to leverage the power of AI, which I'll share more with you how WordPress, when combined with AI, can solve these challenges. I'll see you in the next lesson.